On day 1 of my green onion series, I'll be making these crispy bottom green onion flour rolls. In a bowl, combine your flour, yeast, and sugar. Stir to combine. Add your warm water and stir until a rough dough forms. Knead until the dough just comes together and then let it rest for 15 minutes. While the dough is resting, prepare your green onions. Once your dough has risen slightly, generously flour your table and knead the dough a few times until the surface is smooth. Let your dough rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. Once your dough has expanded again, place on your counter and roll into a large rectangle. Spread some oil on your dough and sprinkle your green onions until the dough is covered. Roll your dough into a log and pinch it shut. Divide into equal-sized pieces, ensuring that you have an even number. Pair each piece up and stack on top of each other. Press a chopstick firmly down the middle of each, pull, twist, and tuck. Place your rolls in an oil pan and let it rest for 30 minutes. The buns should double in size. Pan fry until the bottoms are crispy and add water to steam the buns. They should be fluffy on top and crispy on the bottom. You won't be able to have just one.